We'll be making two very simple party hats. First, we'll need to download the PDF with the templates. You can find the link in the description or on my profile. We'll need to print the templates on paper and then glue the pieces onto colored cardstock. In my case, I chose glittery cardstock so the hats would look more festive when they're finished. I needed 1 sheet of gold cardstock and 7 sheets of purple cardstock, but you can use any colors you like for your hats.
Here are all the pieces. Piece A will be the cone-shaped hat, so I wanted it to be gold. All the other pieces will be used to make the other hat. We'll also need to fold along the lines on the pieces. For the lines with dashes and dots, we'll fold them outward like this. And for the lines with only dashes, we'll fold them in the opposite direction. And now, let's start creating. We'll begin by making the purple hat. We'll apply glue to the flap on piece number 1 and attach it to piece number 2. Then we'll gently bend this large piece and glue the other ends together so our hat starts taking the shape we need. It's very important to always let the pieces dry completely. Next, we'll work with piece number 3, which we'll attach to the top of the hat. To do this, we'll apply glue to all the flaps around the edge and carefully attach the piece until everything is completely dry. From inside the hat, we'll gently push the flaps so they stick better to piece number 3. Now we have the crown of the hat. Next, we'll make the brim. For this, we'll need to apply glue to the flaps on pieces 4 and 5 and join them together to form a circle. We'll do exactly the same thing with pieces 6 and 7, since these pieces will help make both sides of the hat brim purple. We'll apply glue all over the inside of pieces 4 and 5 and then attach them to pieces 6 and 7 like this. We'll make sure that the pieces are completely glued together and don't come apart. Now, the hat brim is the same color on both sides and is also more rigid. Now, all that's left is to apply glue to all these flaps around the edge and attach the brim to the crown of the hat. We'll make sure all the flaps are on the inside and we'll press down on each one so they can properly stick to the other parts of the hat. And that's our first hat finished. The next one is very easy to make. All you need is some glue, or in my case a stapler, which makes it quicker and easier to put together. We'll bring the two ends together and add staples like this. These cone-shaped hats are perfect for making in large quantities because they're so quick and easy to make. And that's what both hats look like when they're completely finished. Remember that you can support this content by joining Momuscraft Premium, where you can download any template from the channel without ads. Thank you so much for watching the video.